Good morning, everyone, respected principal, teachers, seniors, juniors, and all my dear friends. First of all, I would like to thank Mr. Kiran Karki sir, who gave me a golden chance to express my viewers in front of you all. Now, I'm going to deliver a short speech, and the topic of my short speech is importance of education. Education plays a very important role in our life. Education is a basic human right. Education is the key to success. Education is a word that teaches a person to live a life. Education also teaches us about what is wrong and what is right. Education provides us a good lifestyle, good career, and a good status on society. Without education, we cannot do any work properly. Proper education creates a lot of ways to go ahead in the future. Each and every kid has their own dream of doing something different in their life. There is only one way to all dream, which is proper education. I appreciate to those people who know that education is the strongest weapon of our life. Thank you.